Hi, good morning guys. Okay, so today we are starting the video at Daniel's store. So in case you didn't know or haven't been to Bill Crescent, Daniel actually sells vegetables. Okay, so he stopped for some time, so I managed to convince him due to our heightened measures right now to continue. Okay, but he has just a favor for you guys. Okay, so no same day ordering of veggie. Okay, basically he's gonna come out with a fixed list of vegetables that every day he will have. Okay, so you go over to our Telegram group. Okay, the link is in the description of the video. Okay, our Telegram group, I will pin all the pricing of his veggie down there. Okay, so you can pre-order just one day as long as before 11 p.m. at night. Okay, send in your orders to Daniel. Okay, he'll prepare it for you the following day. Then you can order your seafood as long as you have $60 minimum with us. We will deliver the vegetables as well, absolutely free. Okay, so he also has requested for a minimum of $20 for a minimum order. Okay, if not, I don't think it's worth his time to go and pack lah. Because sometimes, you know, you guys request like one papaya, that kind of thing. So he doesn't really have time to entertain those because especially now heightened measures. There's a lot of people. Okay, so now at this current time, his store don't have much vegetables already because he opens really early, like 3 or 4 a.m. Okay, and then he sells until now. So this timing already more or less almost sold out already. Okay, already half gone already. Okay, so he has a lot of different type of vegetables available. Go and look, okay, at the Telegram list. Okay, any special veggies on that particular day that you're having delivery, he will recommend inside Telegram to you guys. Then you guys can buy separately on top of your already $20 order. Okay, so I just want to put that with you guys. So we are carry on the vegetables delivery for you guys. Let me go over to the store. Okay, I'm going to pause the video, then we'll join you back at the store. Okay, welcome back guys to the store. So it's Tuesday. Okay, so the fish supply has returned halfway. Okay, I won't say there's plenty of fishes, but still a lot of nice fishes still for you guys. Okay, a lot of wild fishes we have, farm fishes as well for you guys. Okay, so I already explained to you about the vegetables early on at Daniel's store. So make sure you order one day in advance. No same day order of vegetables. Okay, so please pre-plan all your orders. Okay, for fish every day we will have. Okay, so you can go ahead and buy the fish. One more thing, our website is already finished. Okay, I'm gonna start populating the content onto the website. Next time the ordering will be down there. Okay, so those of you that have invited people over to our 2G ordering, okay, I mean introduce friends. Okay, basically the whole entire thing of the website is going to have a referral system where you guys can earn points, and those points will exchange into dollar value. Okay, where you can use to buy your seafood. So practically, as long as you join a VIP in our thing and you have a lot of friends that are buying from us, your fish order more or less will become free over the cost of the time, right? It's just a referral to get back to give back to you guys. Okay, so now heightened measures, try to stay at home. Okay, we have brought in, you can see, double the quantity that we normally do for the seafood to cater to you guys. Okay, so just remain calm, buy what you want. Okay, so currently, okay, $60 only, free delivery island wide, but I want to give you guys a chance to buy more. Okay, $100 and above from now all the way to 13th June. 13th June is the last day of heightened measures. Okay, we'll be running the promotion. $100 you buy, okay, I'll give you 10% off the whole total bill. Reason for that, because now it's going to be a lot of orders. A lot of you are going to receive your orders later. So I do not want you guys to order too many $60 during the week. Just go and plan your freezer space. One shot buy enough for one whole week, then order again the next week, that kind of thing. Okay, so that way you can get your seafood fresher to you guys at a shorter period of time. Okay, lesser number of deliveries means faster delivery times. Okay, so that's the reason behind it, and I'll give you the 10% off if you help me with that. Okay, so let's go through with you what we have today. Those of you new to our channel, I know a few of you joined the Telegram channel that day. Okay, go ahead and subscribe, click that bell notification on YouTube channel. That's where basically the video will be uploaded. Okay, you also can find that on our new website, 2g2g.sg. It's on maintenance right now. I'll open it up later for you guys to register your accounts. Just registering and not buying. The current buying method is still the same. Okay, just WhatsApp me what fish you want, how to cut, where to deliver to, 3 things. Okay, if you like Facebook page down there, 2 Girls 2 Guys Private Limited. Important, like I said, join the link in the description. That's to our Telegram group. Okay, that's where you can find the price lists, or they're all going to be put in the pin post down there. together with the veggie list over there. You can go and pre-order your veggies one day in advance from Daniel. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so today, salmon head and tail, trout head and tail, we have 2 sets each. Okay, so today I basically brought in 2 fishes of salmon, 2 fishes of trout. Okay, so it's $9 a plate. Okay, of 1 head or 1 tail. You buy separately is $5. Belly also the same. Okay, we have 4 plates down here, 2 trout, 2 salmon, $8 a plate. The bones are at $5 a plate. Okay, for the salmon and trout bones. Okay, today batang very beautiful. Today is what? Johor batang. Okay, Johor one, very fresh. You can see it's still bloodied. A very translucent meat. It's very good stuff. Okay, so batang going at $12 each. Okay, currently the pricing of seafood is up. Okay, because last week no supply. This week heightened measures. Everybody is buying a lot of seafood and the supply haven't stabilized. Okay, so prices of most fishes go up a bit, but don't worry, I give you a store-wide 10% as long as you buy above $100. Okay, batang tail and head. Okay, the head $2, the tail $3. Anybody wants to buy the tail, I'll give you the head for free. Okay, so it's one set, $3 only. Okay, today farm fishes the tails we have 2 types. Okay, we have the golden snapper angzhou, and we have the red snapper, okay, ang kueh. Okay, so if you have not tried the angzhou, you can go and try a very nice fish for steaming. Okay, I also prefer the red snappers as well. Okay, the ang kueh. Okay, all very beautiful fresh one. Okay, so ang kueh tails are going at $16 each. Angzhou tails are going at $14 each. Okay, if you guys want. Okay, I think you guys saw the thumbnail. Today we have wild caught. Wild, this is not the farm one. Normally the bunlang we bring is farm. Wild caught Terengganu bunlang. You know how much I love my Terengganu fishes, okay? Because the water there is how to say, very clean. It's not polluted. That means the fish is actually very fresh. Okay, they don't have any pollutants. You can really taste the difference between a Terengganu fish and a normal Malaysian or Indonesian fish. Okay, so Terengganu bunlang today we chose around 700 gram size. Okay, roughly about 650 to 750, that kind of thing. Okay, one of them is $18. Okay, so if you want, you can try. Bunlang very nice for what? Steaming. Okay, it's a nice fish for steaming. Okay, very yummy. Okay, those of you want the English name of this is called the golden trevally. Okay, and these are wild caught ones. Okay, the wild caught ones are a little bit rarer. The Terengganu ones, you can see the color. Okay, it's even rarer. Okay, we also have a Norwegian salmons for you guys. Okay, $10 each. We have also the Norwegian trout. Okay, $12 each. Okay, and the wild caught Turkish rainbow trout, this is $12. If you want to sample them, we have a sample set going on, $30 only. You get 1 salmon, 1 rainbow trout, and 1 trout. Okay, for $30, you save $4 off. Okay, limited to 1 set per order. Okay, down here we have the Wenting. Okay, Wenting farm is the best place to get baby trap fins or ngao sun. Okay, normally $15. Today we're having offer $12 for you guys to try it out. Okay, this is very sweet. These baby trap fins are really sweet. Okay, if you have not tried them, go and try. Nice for steaming. Okay, another one nice is the whole ang kueh. Okay, so the big ones down there, we have the tails down there for you guys. The smaller ones are down here. Okay, normally $18, now $16. Okay, nice decent size ones. Okay, the ang kueh. Let you take a look compared to the tail. Okay, let you see the difference. Okay, so if you want the whole fish, you go for this. If you don't mind just the tail alone, you go for that. Okay, up there we have 2 northern region, Pepian, Anggoli. Okay, northern region Anggoli are the sweetest of all. Okay, sweetest of all and the best quality one. Okay, so they are a bit pricey, but you're guaranteed a good one. Okay, Anggoli, the head, most people like it for curry. Okay, it's known to be the best head for curry fish head. Okay, so if you're looking for something for curry or asam, go for this. Okay, so we've got 2 sizes. This is a smaller one, 2.65 kg, $69 for the whole fish. Down here we've got one 2.85 kg, $74 for the whole fish. Okay, down here red groupers, these red groupers are all premium red groupers. Okay, so I go through with you. There are basically just 2 sizes only. We have the 850 grams one and the 950 grams one. Okay, so 950 gram one I got 3 of them. The 850 gram one I got how many? 6 of them. Okay, so 850 grams one $40 each, and then the 950 grams one $45 each, and they are premium red groupers. Okay, Chilean sea bass today we also brought in a lot for you guys. Okay, these are our xueyi codfish, very rich in omega-3 oils. Okay, and they are also very sweet. Okay, very flaky, very sweet, good for what? Baking or steaming. Okay, 68 per kg for the Chilean sea bass. Okay, today sea basses slightly smaller than the big ones, okay, but still big enough. Okay, these are roughly about 800 grams. Can fillet, this one can fillet one. Okay, $10 each. Okay, we also have golden pomfrets for you guys, big ones, 600 grams golden pomfret, $9 each. nice and fat one, okay? Nice and fat and juicy, okay? $9. And then we also have the bigger, not big, bigger Yuling black pomfrets, okay? So those of you looking for something bigger size than the normal ones we sell, okay? You can go for this, okay? $9 each. Reason I like this Yuling one is because don't have that Cao Chou, okay? So it's a very, very nice fish for pan frying, okay? If you like black pomfrets, you will love this one, okay? Saba is up there, one for $4, three for $10. So those of you that went out before, okay, you all eat your Japanese or Korean hot plate, okay? This is the fish on that hot plate, okay? So basically, simple cutting, I cut off the head for you, I cut off the tail, and then I fillet one side, okay? You can just go and pan fry. Very, very rich in omega-3 oils as well, and inexpensive fish, okay? 3 of them for $10 only, okay? So can go and get. Down here we've got Beka. Beka is your spotted mackerel, okay? So of all the mackerel species, okay, Beka is the tastiest. So people use them for what? Fish balls, used for otah, okay? The best, if you like to pan fry, okay, get a Beka, okay? We will slice like that for you, steaks, slanted one, okay? Then after you go and pan fry, okay? Very, very shiok. And this one is Xiao Chuan, small boat, okay? Sampan fish, sampan catch, Malaysian fish, okay? So they are very, very good quality, very, very nice to eat, okay? Normally we'll sell it at $12 each, today big offer for you guys, $10 only, okay, for the Beka, okay? So you can go and get, there's one whole fish, they are roughly about 700 grams about there, okay? Today we have Malaysian Sigla as well, okay? So those of you waiting for Sigla, one plate is $8, okay? Beautiful Malaysian fish, okay? This one nice for pan frying. This size can steam as well, so if you're into steam Sigla, you can go and get. This size is, I would say, pretty decent size already, okay? Down here we have the Indonesian sotong, okay? One plate about 500 to 600 grams, 500 plus, okay? 500 plus, 500 to 600 grams. One plate, $10, okay? Indonesian sotong. Now, sotong expensive, especially Malaysian ones, and really not much supply, okay? To be very frank, go for the Indo one if you really need the sotong, okay? We have king salmon heads as well, okay? So those of you don't know, king salmon breed is the oiliest of all, okay? Most omega-3 oils, okay? So these are taken from the Mount Cook brand, okay? So one head $5, two head $8. King salmon heads are very flexible in cooking. You can pan fry, do soups, you can grill, anything, okay? Basically, you can even steam it, okay? Very, very flexible fish, okay? And it's very, very oily, very, very healthy as well, okay? So one for $5, two for $8, okay? Today we brought back the salted sotong, okay? One packet, one packet 500 grams of the salted sotong. These are already slightly cooked, okay? And they are salty, I mind you, they are salty. If you don't eat so salty, please wash a few times, okay? Take it and deep fry. Very, very shiok. If not, you can just cook it with vegetables and things like that. Very, very nice as well, okay? One packet, $7 only, the salted sotong. We also have the big Da Tou Xia, okay? Normally we sell 35 kg one box. Now only $28 one box. 1 kg, 6 of them inside. I had this over the weekend. I tell you, the head butter, if you like head butter, this one's super, okay? Really, really a lot of head butter inside. Damn bloody shiok. Okay, prawns, today prawns all live one, okay? So morning they're all alive. These are the live tiger prawns, okay? Medium size, I would say. Okay, now prawns a bit expensive, to be frank. 28 a kg, now 25 a kg, okay, for the live tiger prawns, okay? So if you're looking for tiger prawns and you want the best quality ones, obviously go for the live ones. Then down here we have the live glass prawns, and these are the big size one, 4 lisia. Okay, so these are one of my favorite prawns already, okay? So use it for steaming, use it for steamboat, use it for soups, whatever you want with it, okay? Basically it's very sweet, very crunchy, okay? They are considered the one of the top prawns for in terms of farm prawns, okay? So this one, the big sizes one, they are expensive, okay? They're not the small size one, okay? So normally 38 a kg, today offer for you guys $35 a kg for the live glass prawns, okay? So yeah, that's what we have for you over here. I'll walk over to our the other store. Before that, uncle down here, Shen Yu, so if you want Shen Yu, it's $32 a kg. With skin, without skin, please let us know. Okay, the head is $350, the bone is $150, you can use this for your soups. Down here, our freezer section, okay, we have the frozen oysters, one pack is 500 grams, this is $15, okay. Flower lala, okay, this already descended, just wash and cook, okay. These are Korean lala, this is $5 a pack, 500 grams, okay. We also have Muar Otah for you guys. Muar Otah is $5.50 a pack, 2 packs for $10. Down here we've got Australian scallops, okay. These are sweet, used for soups, used for steamboat, that kind of thing is nice, okay. Can grill as well, 300 grams, $20. These are the bigger ones, okay? These are American scallops, okay? These type, they don't really shrink that much, okay? So if you're looking at something you're grilling, stir fry, go for this. Very impressive one, okay? 500 grams, $26. We also have fish balls. The special thing about these fish balls, they're made of pollock meat. So pollock is a wild-caught Alaskan cod fish, okay? This is $5 for the cooked skin, okay? This is the fried skin one. Fried skin one is $5.50. Down here we have Chilean sea bass tails already filleted, okay? 鳕鱼尾巴, okay? So this one, the 尾巴 portion, okay, the tail portion have no bones, okay? So after fillet, already confirm no bones. So if you are looking for something for babies, this is your best bet already, okay? This one is 320 to 330 grams. This is $23 a pack. Down here we have Greenland halibut, $14, okay? This tastes very much like codfish, okay? If you have not tried Greenland halibut before, go and try. It's not really much of a halibut, to be frank, okay? It's actually more like a turbot, okay? So it's very nice, oily, okay, and sweet as well. You can use it for grilling, okay? The taste very similar to this, okay? But this one, the texture a bit firmer. So those of you that prefer a bit firmer of a texture, not hard, firm, okay? You can go for this one, okay? $14 for 300 gram stick like that. We have unsalted silverfish. This is $5. And then we have snow crab legs, okay? Snow crab legs is $7, okay? Unagi, okay? $14 for unagi, okay? This is already pre-marinated. You just need to microwave or heat up 2 to 3 minutes. Down here we have codfish bones, okay? The 鳕鱼尾巴, 鳕鱼骨, sorry. One pack, 1 kg, $12. And then this is the wild Alaskan pollock cubes. So pollock cubes, you can use them for porridge, use for stir fry. You can even use them to make fish nuggets, okay? All no bones one, so this is the perfect for those moms want to cook a simple meal for your kids, okay? This one is $25 for 500 gram bag. Okay, so that's what we have for you in the freezer, okay? So just a reminder to you guys, okay? So today, no veggie delivery, okay? Veggie delivery starts tomorrow, okay? But you need to pre-order from Daniel today, okay? At the same time, from now to the 13th of June, okay? To the end of heightened measures, okay? Basically, what we're gonna do for you guys, you buy $100 and above, we'll give you a flat 10% off the total bill, okay? That's to encourage you guys to stay home, cook at home, have a nice seafood meal every day, get your vegetables as well, okay? That's it, okay? So a bonus for you guys. Remember, okay, later on, once the admins for the website, okay, they wake up, okay, I will activate the websites. I want you guys to go and register your accounts, okay? Those of you that have already been invited by friends, okay, so that means you know somebody that has been buying from us and then they introduce you to us. Don't register yet, please, okay? Make sure your friends register first, then they pass you the referral link, then you register, then you'll be under them, something like a downline. Okay, it's basically just one level only, okay? But in future, all purchases you buy, as long as they are in our VIP program, they will earn points and that points can exchange for seafood purchases. So technically you are helping them, okay? When you introduce more people to buy our seafood, basically when they buy, okay, you get back, okay? So very, very simple referral program that we set up on the website. In future, I think June we will start our website officially, okay? So right now it's just registration. The website content is not uploaded yet, okay? But we'll let you all pre-register first, okay? So don't go and register yet, okay? Remember, go and think it through. Did anybody recommend you to 2G? If you did, please make sure they already registered first and get their referral link from them and then register, okay? So thanks guys for watching. Stay home, stay safe, please. The virus is very, very scary, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Bye-bye.